GreenHeck. Building value in air.
Welcome to the GreenHeck Lab. Today we're running an experiment on how specification-grade GreenHeck ceiling fans perform against a residential competition.
And we'll be demonstrating how static pressure can impact the fan's ability to move air and meet code, which is a critical component in every installation.
Here we have a GreenHeck fan set at 50 CFM going head-to-head against a competitor fan, competitor P, set at 150.
Now, because they're ducted together and both fans are forcing air into the duct, the fans will pressurize the duct and attempt to overcome the static pressure.
Let's see who can maintain performance and pin the ball against the other.
So what's happening right now as the fans start to spool up? The static pressure is building in the duct. Both fans are working against each other to try to push the ball against the other fan.
So, as you see, the ball came against the GreenHeck fan.
That wasn't what happened.
I think I know what it was, Carl.
What?
I should probably turn ours on, huh?
Yeah,
Let's give that a try.
Yep.
So as the GreenHeck fan takes just a second to come up to speed, in a matter of a few seconds here, we should see the ball move across the ductwork up against the competitor it is overpowered.
So this fan is also generating pressure, which the GreenHeck fan also has to overcome. And that's what we expected to see.
Turning on the GreenHeck fan caused the static pressure to rise to a point at which the competitor fan could not maintain airflow. This fan will fail to meet code.
Outside of our lab installation, everything from the type of duct, length of a run, elbows, and terminations can add to the overall static pressure. Studies show that 0.4 inches of static pressure and above are common in residential applications.
So Carl, if that's the case, why do most residential-grade ventilation manufacturers only test and certify their performance at 1/10 inch of static pressure, well below what they'll see in a typical install?
It's a great question, Craig. At GreenHeck, we want you to know that when you install our fans, you will meet your design and code requirements. That's why we partner with AMCA to test and certify our entire performance curve, not just a couple of points.
As we have demonstrated, GreenHeck's specification-grade fans deliver the certified performance to meet code and effectively move air in a typical residential installation. Schedule a call today, and our team can help make sure what you're installing tomorrow will get the job done.